The homeowners really needed a second bathroom for their teenagers. They needed another place that could be the ground zero to get ready in the morning and to have a shower. The existing bathroom in this house was a basement bathroom. It was very dark and dank. The tiles were brown ombre. It looked like something from the 1970s. There was a tub that wasn't used because I don't think anybody really wanted to come down and use this washroom. So here we are in the newly renovated basement bathroom, and it doesn't really even feel like a basement anymore. There's not a lot of space in this washroom, so we decided to take out the existing tub and put in a shower. It helps to make it feel more open and spacious because there's no sort of apron of the tub and the floor extends all the way through. We've got a family-friendly gray tile floor with heat underneath, and the drain for the shower is an integrated drain with the tiles. It really just disappears, so that's kind of a cool thing. We wanted to kind of keep a neutral palette, but give some subtle texture. So this Porcelanosa tile really helps to just give some subtle texturing, but staying very neutral and clean. The other piece that's pretty important for this bathroom in particular was to try and get a large enough sink to work with and then minimize the amount of counter space that we would deal with. So the door didn't change places. We dealt with the 12 inches of countertop that was here, and we had some custom cabinetry built to go underneath with some drawers in drawers that really provide a lot more storage than used to be here. It really cleans up this washroom and makes it uber usable. The clients for this washroom wanted to have clean and modern, but with a hint of glamour. So having some of the warm metals to just help to warm up the space, and the white oak millwork also helps to warm up the space. With a small space, it's really lovely to have a couple of amenities that you might just splurge on. So the heated floor is one, and then a heated towel warmer that just adds function, but also some sophistication and some amenity to the space.